Welcome back to the classroom. Think your digital data is safe online? Think again. Today we're diving into Have I Been Pwned, the free and easy way to secure your online accounts. So let's get to it. With data breaches happening almost daily, your email or password might already be floating around the dark web. But don't panic. There's a simple tool to check if your info has been compromised. Have I Been Pwned, or HIBP for short, is a free online tool created by cybersecurity expert Troy Hunt. It's designed to help you check if your email address or passwords have been exposed in online data breaches. Think of it as a personal detective that checks your digital trail for leaks and lets you know if you've been pwned, which in gamer slang means defeated or compromised. Checking your email is pretty easy. Just open your favorite web browser and visit HaveIBeenPwned.com. Enter your email address to search for breaches, or you can even check your favorite passwords for breaches on the password tab at the top. If your email has been compromised, you'll see a list of data breaches where your information was exposed. It's like a credit report for your online accounts. And don't worry, Have I Been Pwned doesn't store or share your data. It's a trusted tool used by millions worldwide. So what should you do if you've been pwned? Don't panic. Follow these steps to regain control of your online security. Change your passwords. Use a strong, unique password for each account. Consider using a password manager like Bitwarden or LastPass. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add an extra layer of security by enabling 2FA on all critical accounts like email, banking, and social media. Monitor your accounts. Keep an eye on unusual activity. Use services like LifeLock, Credit Karma, or ID Watchdog for additional monitoring. Subscribe to breach notifications. On Have I Been Pwned, you can sign up to receive email alerts if your information is found in a new breach. By taking these simple steps, you can lock down your accounts and prevent future attacks. Have I Been Pwned is a powerful tool in your online security arsenal. With just a few clicks, you can check if your data has been compromised and take steps to secure your accounts. Have you checked your accounts yet? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell for more tech tips and cybersecurity guides. Otherwise, we'll see you next time in the classroom. Bye-bye, everybody.